pearl onions, amazing. We had a Gibson last night, a dirty Gibson, and I tell you what, we have no school tomorrow. I may have two. They were so good. We did a gin Gibson dirty with 3 onions. Onions were delicious, and they're amazing. And you know what? We're eating them right out of the jar and putting them in. There's nothing to say that you couldn't take those onions out early or add to the base that we're giving you. And that's what it is, a base. If you wanted to infuse some fresh thyme, you wanted to put rosemary, imagine all the flavors that you could put into that onions after it's fermented. A little hibiscus, right? There's so many things, lavender, that you can do as a base for those onions. It's incredible. It's going to be huge. I'm telling you, if you haven't had them, you're missing out, because the onions are incredible. So much so, I have new ones on. They're taking about 21 days or more, because we leave the skin on and we leave the core end on, and it just takes that long for it to ferment. It's really crazy. I can't believe how much time it takes. We had some last night, Robert and I. We had a red one, and it was still crunchy. It was good. We enjoyed it crunchy, but didn't have exactly what we're looking for. Again, the mole. Beaten up, though. Beaten up. But the flavor, Han, I said the mole gets so beaten up, the pickle, the brine is like literally beats the living hell out of it.
But it's worth it.
It's worth it. It beats
the taste that comes out of it.
There's nothing like it anymore. I don't know anything that tastes like that.
It's beat into submission.
Yeah, beat into submission. Really. Hey, what happened to the rest of my habaneros? Do you know?
I ate them? No. Right behind you.
I thought you might have given it to
no.
our friends today who were at the house.
Oh, no. Not feeling that generous today.
Yes. So, yeah, the red and pearl onions are on right now. They're going to be, again, 21 days. So we still have another like 10 days for those. I might let them go a little bit longer. And then all new stuff. The kimchi. We first started working with kimchi, and I made one variety. And then 2 recipes ago, 2 times ago now, I changed the recipe, and it's been amazing. I spent a lot of time in the Korean stores learning about it, and so we're making the specialty kimchi, which is the baby bok choy and Chinese mustard green we have right now. And I left the Chinese mustard green very whole, so you can cut it, take it out, cut it into pieces, use it however you like it. And we have our regular Napa cabbage. And really learning about some incredible ingredients through this process, my eyes have been really open. In this kimchi, we're using a lot of fermented products in itself, shrimp paste and soybeans and fermented broad beans with chilies from the Chengdu province in China as part of the brine or paste. And the Korean chili paste, and plus the powder. So it's been a great experience, and we keep it pretty simple: carrots and onions and Napa cabbage, lots of fish sauce. Gotta love the fish sauce, and it's incredible. Eating on its own. I had some kimchi fried rice the other day that was just amazing. I made it at school and for my class president, and for not class president, for my for culinary arts club. And we had it, and it was just really amazing. So many things that can be done with it. It's really going so great. So, hope you're enjoying some Sour Johns right now. I know I am. All right, everybody. Have a great day, and